Good morning, everybody. It's my very first video on my very new channel, Foodie Babe. And today we are going to be making chocolate covered cheesecakes. And I got them a little prepped for you. These are very, very easy recipes. So don't get discouraged. I'm not a chef. I don't pretend to be a chef. It's just a fun pastime. So I go on Pinterest and I find some stuff, and I thought it'd be so much fun to try and share with people. Like, I do this all the time. So this one is going to be chocolate covered cheesecakes and on a stick. So what you do is you go, and I'm going to put the recipe up there. You go to the store and you can get a frozen, like, Sara Lee cheesecake. That's what they told me to do on the Pinterest page. I didn't do that because I've never done it before. So at my local grocery store, Publix, they sell like individual slices for like a couple bucks. As you can see, I tried to stick in it to see how thawed it was. So to get right into it, if your cake or your cheesecake is not pre-frozen, if it doesn't come frozen, you can freeze it. Like, I put these in the freezer last night and it was fine. If it comes already frozen, fine. You can use any flavor you want. I'm using New York style. So you want to leave it sit out for just a couple minutes, and that is only because you want it to be just soft enough to get the stick in. So I got that one pretty much in. Let's see, the crust. Now we're going to fail together. This is not a perfect, I'm not Martha Stewart, guys. It's like we're in a Pinterest fail together. Let's just have some fun. Be careful of the crust because mine's cracking. So you just take, and you can get these sticks on Amazon. I got like a gajillion of them for like $5. I don't know what I'm going to do with them all. See if I can find other stuff to stick on a stick. Ooh, chocolate covered bananas. Yeah, let's throw that on the list. All right. I'm like breaking it. Okay, so what you want to do is I put foil on a plate, and I'm going to put them on here. And you're going to want to put them back into the freezer to get just a little bit more frozen. So when you pour the warm chocolate on it, they're cool. So just remember, after you put the stick in it, put them back into the freezer. So let's do that. All right. And while that's happening, we are going to melt our chocolate. Now, it's so debatable. Chocolate is so debatable on what you use. The recipe on Pinterest said to use chocolate chips. I talked to my mom. I never melted chocolate since, like, I don't know, 8th grade when we had Comac. My mom said to use the bars. Chocolate chips don't melt as good. Some people use the little discs. I don't know. I went to the aisle there and I found these. Baker's dipping chocolate, and we're going to see how this works. Sounds like it was like $4. Now, I was at Publix, which is an extremely expensive store here in Florida, but I'm sure I'm going to try to do more at Walmart so we can all go to like the same store together. Like, yes, I got this in Walmart and it was this much money and stuff like that, but this is my first video. Super excited, so I just went there. So Baker's chocolate, I read the directions already. Yep, just pop the lid off. You take the seal off. Maybe. There we go. Okay. So it's literally just these things in it. Like, if you don't want to get the microwavable container and you just want to buy these and melt them in a bowl, I mean, yeah, why not? All right. So the directions say we put it in for 30 seconds at a time, stir, and redo it as needed. We're going to, like, take our time just a smidge only because I want that cheesecake to get nice and refrozen so it stays on the stick. So let's put this in. I know it's going to get a little boring here, guys, because it's a 30 seconds and it's easy to lose viewers when not a whole lot's going on. So while that is melting, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I live in Florida. I live on St. Pete Beach, and the hurricanes came through, Helene and Milton, and it kind of devastated our area pretty good. So there's not a whole lot of business here, and I'm kind of thinking, like, what am I going to do? I just been sitting around, like, I got to do something. I have a small business on the beach, and it's just unbelievably slow, even for going into season. All right, let's do our first check. not very melted. So what we're going to do, it says to stir. I'm just stirring things here. Okay, so let's put it back in. It ain't ready. 30 more seconds, it says. So it's just been really slow. And since it's been really slow, I've been thinking, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? This is what I came up with. I'm sure people are not going to stick through this whole video. I know that's the hardest part, is to keep people's attention. But part of cooking is waiting. That happens. It's just something I like to do. Like I said, I'm not a chef. I'm just like to eat. Who doesn't? You know? All right, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, I think this is a hard one. Like, it seems good, but let's see if it's... I'm gonna say, what do you think? Like 10 more seconds? 10 more minutes. Oh my god, it burned the hell out of it. All right. There, it was a little clumpy, so let's just go there with it. So as the time goes on with these videos, I don't really have any help. I do have a little assistant, my neighbor, but he's not always available. So it's just me and a camera. So if you're looking for a video with like a huge production qualities, this ain't it. This is just me and my camera talking to my fans. Right. Fans, like I have fans. When we get fans. Hopefully we will. All right, this looks so much better. Look at that. That chocolate looks really like I just want to eat it off the spoon. Okay, so we have, you don't want to rush, but that chocolate does reharden, and you don't want to be stuck with that. So let's get our things. They should have been in there long enough. All right, I may have to move you around a little bit. All right, sorry. Like I said, I just got chocolate all over my camera. All right, so here's our stuff. This is one. And I cannot get a good view of this. There we go. All right, so thank you for your patience. It's not a very, so you just drizzle it on with the spoon. Oh, it's already cracking. Okay, so let's hold it this way. Drizzle it on with the spoon, okay? And then just mat it down. I mean, your amount of chocolate, of course, that's your decision. But I'm just going to go straight like this because I am petrified right now. It's about to fall off. And you're going to make a mess. Just deal with the fact you're going to make a mess. I'm a little petrified it's going to fall off the stick. I want to say leave it in the freezer a little bit longer than I did. But no one wants to sit here and wait like an hour for these. Like, it said 10 minutes, and I tried to wait as long as I could. I didn't let them fall out that much. Oop. Great thing about chocolate. Look at that. Like it never happened. Yeah, like, you can leave it in there longer. It's not going to hurt anything, however long you leave them in there once you put the stick in. All right. Like I said, your level of comfort with the chocolate, that's all you. It's not me, but I am... Look at how cute that is. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so you did that one, and... Okay, I got rainbow sprinkles to put on. And you want to do that kind of quick because you don't want the chocolate to get all hard. You don't have to put anything on. You can put chocolate chips on. You can put anything you want on. So there's one done. Let's do the other one. Yes, I love making a mess. This is us. It's nothing a little soap and water can fix, right? If you hear noise in the background, my cat's eating. She's home. I don't know why she's up. She's usually asleep by now. All right, look at that. Wow. How amazing does this look? I just want to eat it right now. But I'm filming this at, it's like not even 9 o'clock in the morning. Like, talk about a stomach ache. Oh, look how good. Oh, woo, we're getting a little wonky here. So what we're going to do, hold it straight up and down. And I apologize that you can't see this side, but it needs to get back into the freezer. When you see it start teetering like that, you know, either stop what you're doing or get it back into the freezer. Because once you have the chocolate on, you're not going to want to try to reapply that stick. What you're going to do is try to refreeze that stick. And okay, so we're going to put it just like that. Okay, here they are. This one is the one that needs to get back into the freezer and see if we can get that stick on there. I don't know, but we'll see. And there's those. Now, I did, hello, make one earlier. So, you know, like any other cooking show, you make it and then you have something to show at the end. I made one. So we're going to put these in the freezer for later and I'll show you the one I made. And this is the one I made. Let's get it out there. There it is. And it's pretty frozen. I'm not going to eat it right now because it is, like I said, not even 9 o'clock in the morning. But look at that. What a good treat you can have these. And they're so easy. What did that take? I'm at 11 minutes and 41 seconds. And that's with melting the chocolate and yakking to you guys about, you know, my life that you probably don't care about. So look at that. Really quick. If you have, it's stuff you can make on hand. If you have people coming over and you don't know what to make, you melt a little bit of chocolate, you pour it on a piece of frozen cheesecake. Voila. You know, like I said, the sticks on Amazon, I got like 1,000 of them for like $5. And melting chocolate, you can get it at any grocery store. Sprinkles or Jimmy's from wherever you live in the country. You can get it any grocery store. Frozen cheesecake, literally almost any grocery store. Very simple, very, very simple. And these are the kind of recipes we're going to be doing, guys. Useful, fun, comfort food. I'm going to be taking you to restaurants I go to and showing you what I get and reviewing it. I put a short up last night of, we were at my favorite restaurant here in St. Pete. It's called Sea Dogs. And we always get Thai chili wings and French fries. But I thought you'd like to see the Thai chili wings. They are so freaking good. But that's the kind of stuff this channel is going to be about. And I doubt any of you made it this far. If you did, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. We're going to be doing this as much as we can. And it's so much fun. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. And look at that. Simple. It took me less than 15 minutes to make this. You know, when you're in a hurry and you need something, always come to my channel. I'll be happy to help you out with something. I hope you guys cook along. I hope you guys put ideas in the comments of what we can make. If you're on Pinterest and you see something, snap a picture of it and I'll lens it, see if I can find it. And we'll make it together. You know, I really hope we could build an audience. Right now I have no subscribers. I have I think I have 1 subscriber and 1 short. So I hope we can really make this work together. I'm very excited about it. And I thank you guys for watching. We're going to have a lot of good ideas coming up. So keep watching. And I'm really liking that chocolate banana on a stick. Like, why not do some fair food? Thought of a couple new videos. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it if you stuck this far through. Thank you. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.